Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the error Google Play is not working. Google Play is not working. This message can be frustrating as it hinders our ability to do important downloads, update, or use apps on your Android device. There could be various reasons for Google Play issues, and addressing them may require a few troubleshooting steps. So, first of all, swipe down the control panel from the top to clear unnecessary data and cache memory from its app. And then, tap to go into settings from the top right corner. Once you get into settings, tap on the apps and notifications option. Then from here, go into app info. Now scroll down in your app info and look for Google Play Store. If you don't find it this way, tap on the search bar from the top. Then search for Google Play Store here. Once you find it, tap to go into it. Now, from Google Play Store, tap on the storage option. And then you need to clear the storage of this app. This will help the app to have some storage and work without any glitches. After that, go back to settings and tap on the search bar. Then search for Google Play Services. Once you find it, tap on it. From here, go into its storage and tap to clear cache from here. Clearing the cache will help this app to perform fast executions. After doing that, go back and tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Look for default apps here. If you don't find it here, go back to apps and notifications. Then from here, tap on default apps. Insufficient storage on your device can cause issues with app downloads and updates, so clear unnecessary files or uninstall unused apps to free up space. After that, your issue will be fixed. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.